So I'm Ben Lazarus. I'm a VP. I'm in charge of business transformation in Stratasys, which means all of the changes we need to make as an organization to embrace the future development of 3D printing. I'm in charge of facilitating and making sure that happen. Together we're taking all the businesses we've acquired over the last few years and the knowledge that we have within them and making sure we get value of that within our ecosystem of Stratasys. So let's say four things. The first is the right product. So we need to have the materials and the hardware that companies need to be able to do the applications they need to do, whether that's in medical, aerospace, automotive, etc. So we've got a lot of work to do there. Secondly is the ecosystem that surrounds that. Probably more important is companies need high quality software, collaboration tools, design for additive manufacturing, engineers and experts to be able to realize the dream of additive manufacturing. So we need to enable those skills. Thirdly, our job and the job of the industry is to educate the young entrepreneurs and scientists of the future to embrace the technology and be part of Industry 4.0. And number four, I can't remember, but number four is to build a collaborative environment with a whole spectrum of industries and applications, because the use cases for 3D printing today are enormous, but for tomorrow they're going to be even bigger. But they need defining, they need working through, they need certification, they need standardization. So there's a lot of work to build the applications of the future. I'm actually going to do something boring, okay? People focus on the medical applications, the educational applications, and those are phenomenal. Where we see the huge opportunity is in the tooling and the manufacturer space, where thousands and thousands of employees work on relatively repetitive processes every day, where 3D printing, because of its ability to be customized, to be flexible, to be fast to manufacture, to be lower in cost, is having a profound effect on the way factories today and in the future are being designed and built. So it almost doesn't sound interesting and exciting, but the ability to influence thousands of companies and employees who work in those parts of the world is enormous, and that's very exciting to me. I make two comments. The first thing is I've learned a lot. So the first benchmark of any conference is, do you learn anything? I've sat through sessions on healthcare, on bioscience, on industry applications, and I've learned a lot. So there's been a lot of knowledge sharing. And for me, it's not been too detailed and it's not been too high level. So that's been very good. Secondly, I met a lot of very interesting people. I had long conversations with one of the university hospitals about the applications they're using with our printers and other printers in the technology development of helping surgeons do their jobs better. So I've met some really interesting people who are using 3D printing at the front line. And it's enabled me to learn more and feedback with our R&D team that was also here to feed back to our guys on the applications of the future. It's my first time in Barcelona. It won't be my last time in Barcelona.